All right, so here's the thing nobody wants to admit.
The big AI job apocalypse, it's not coming for assembly lines. It's coming for offices.
Okay, if your job involves sitting at a desk, typing into spreadsheets, or answering phones, newsflash, you're in the danger zone.
Office and admin gigs,
90.2% risk of being replaced by AI.
data entry,
98%.
receptionists,
92%. Basically, if a robot could do it faster without needing coffee breaks, that robot's coming for you. And look, this isn't just a one day in the future deal. Companies like Amazon and Salesforce are already using AI as an excuse to trim the workforce. By 2026, over half of companies will have AI running core operations. Like half. Are we paying attention yet? But here's the thing. I don't think this is the end of the world. It's more like natural selection for job skills.
if you adapt, learn how to work with the robots, not compete with them, you'll be fine.
But if you're sitting there like,
I'll just keep doing what I've always done. Well, AI doesn't need nostalgia. It's messy, but honestly,
it's just evolution.
Office Edition.